I'm kind of satisfied that it even became a meatloaf. Stay until the end to see the inside. First time baking bread with my own sourdough starter. It took longer than I expected, so it didn't rise as much that I hoped. Maybe the starter was too weak, maybe the baker was, or maybe I just missed the timing. Let me know what you think if you have any idea. The day before, I fed my starter. The next morning it wasn't very active, so I fed it again. 50 grams of water, 50 grams of flour. A few hours later, it passed the flow test. Well, at least just before the camera started rolling. I followed the recipe in the description, kneaded the dough by hand for about 15 to 20 minutes, added the salt toward the end, then a light coating of olive oil before proofing. My kitchen was a bit cold, so I gave it a gentle warmth in the oven, around 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. After the first rise, I folded it and shaped it into a tight round ball. I tried scoring it like the pros, you know. Let's just say I need more practice, and I guess it must proof a lot more. The dinner was approaching and I couldn't let it proof any longer. It was time to bake. I preheated a cast iron Dutch oven to 230 degrees, lowered the dough in carefully, baked it covered for about 25 minutes. Then removed the lid and baked it another 20 to 25 minutes until golden. Added a splash of water for steam, hopefully to get that crust. Out of the oven into a wire rack, and then I had to wait to cool it down. So the result, well, no giant air pockets, no dark crackly bakery style crust, but the taste, well, let's just say warm bread with a small sourdough flavor, some butter melting into it. Well, that alone makes it worth it. So I'm kind of satisfied that it even became a piece of bread without any yeast, only my sourdough starter. It was a satisfying feeling. So, what I learned. Timing is everything with sourdough. Proofing takes patience. You can score it deeper than you think. And making bread completely from scratch, well, it's a different kind of satisfaction and totally worth it. Let's have a bite to see if it has some crust at all. kind of good. Thanks for watching, and you can watch some of my shorts videos of me making the starter and baking some sourdough pizza. Just get into my channel and check them out there. Subscribe, like and comment this video please. Share your beginner mistake. Till the next time, take care. Bye.